This channel is quietly racking up millions of views and nobody's talking about it. They've hit 8.8 million, 7.6 million, and 4.7 million views on their videos, and their other uploads are hitting millions too. The concept is super simple. AI clips of someone controlling a small remote control boat on water. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what the finished videos look like. So to get started, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Miniature Boat Generator and choose Mine. Hit Start Chat and then click to start the generator. It's going to give you 10 different scene ideas to choose from. You can type the number of the one you want or describe your own idea. I'm going to go with number 4. The GPT will now give you an image prompt and a video prompt for your chosen scene, plus 4 more scene ideas to keep going with. Just copy the first image prompt and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and select Nano Banana 2 as your image model. Paste your prompt in the prompt box. Set the output to 9:16 and 2K. Choose how many images you want and hit Generate. Here's what mine came out like. The detail on the boat, the water reflections, the guy with the controller, they look completely real. So, just pick your favorite and click Image to Video on the right side. Scroll up, click on Model, and switch to Kling 3.0. Go back to the GPT and copy the video prompt for that scene. Paste it in. Make sure the audio toggle is on. Set it between 5 and 15 seconds and 1080p. Then hit Generate. And once your videos are ready, they should look something like this. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. If you want to see what other viral AI niches I've found, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss them. See you in the next one.